Good morning, everyone. The devotion for today. This is Peds. The title for today's devotion is Brown Sugar Blessings. Luke 6:38 says, "Give and you will receive. Your gift will return to you in full. Pressed down, shaken together to make room for more, running over and poured into your lap. The amount you give will determine the amount you get back." The process of measuring out the amount of brown sugar you need for a recipe means pressing the sugar down into the measuring cup and adding more until the packed solid cup is full. God's blessings are like that. He gives and gives. Just when you think maybe He's given all He's going to give, He packs more in. God is never finished giving to His children. God encourages you to mimic His generosity as you give to others. Give generously of your time and energy. Care about people around you. Share in their pain and grief by understanding and comforting. Don't pull back from people who are hurting. Share in others' joys and success too. Celebrate and share with not a bit of jealousy. It's encouraging for your friends to have you celebrate with them. Blessings will return to you, pressed down and shaken together more than you could imagine. The friendship and support that you give will come back to you in the community you create. God will bless you with even more support and encouragement in your own life. He gives and gives in a multitude of creative ways. How comfortable are you in sharing others' pain? How do you comfort and help others? How well do you celebrate with others? How do those blessings come back to you? That's all for today. Thank you and God bless.